Hi everybody, thanks for watching. This is a quick how-to video on how to reset or get rid of that oil change required icon. I'll show you what I mean right there. Oil change required every 5,000 miles or so. I think you can set the interval. This thing will go off and you do your oil change, but you have to reset this. So I'm going to show you the controls that will do that. Right here on your steering wheel, you have your cursor control, left, down, right, up, and select. So I'm going to hit OK first to get rid of the the little annunciator there. So here we go, OK. Now it's gone. Now I'm going to go over to the menu, hitting left, go down to driver, actually going down to settings, up to vehicle. Oil life reset is on the bottom, so I'm going to just using this toggle down and press OK to reset. So we're going to hold this OK down, and there'll be a little progress bar on the bottom to hold it for I think 3 seconds. So here we go, pressing 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. We are back to 100%, and it won't bother you again for 5,000 or 6,000 miles. That's it. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.